Alrighty, everybody. Welcome back to American farming. We are 100,000 away from buying the cattle farm. But we're gonna need another, I think, probably another 80,000 on top of that just to run it. So, we might be buying the farm. Hopefully, sometime in today's episode, because I plan on getting all the soybeans harvested and getting everything planted. Alright, we're good on seed. I remember filling the seeder up. Or the planter, I should say. I don't know if I showed this, but we've bought this field and that field. So right now we're getting a lot of corn. So I've got another set of hogs. It's just we're gonna get all of our soybeans harvested because I need to. And then we're gonna go and just get pretty much... We're gonna try to get another round of hogs also. I'm hoping to have the cattle farm by next May, maybe next June. That's the goal, at least. I don't think we're gonna make that reality, though. But we're getting close to our goal. I'm excited to get the cattle farm because if I can get some cattle going, then we can make a decent amount of money. I'm gonna probably go and... Alright, so we're gonna have to... We're definitely gonna have to get... Soybeans are gonna get done in today's episode, I'm gonna say that. We're gonna start planting soybeans in the first soybean field we harvested, which we got pretty much a full hopper off of, which is really nice. The reason I haven't bought land around my farm over here is because I'm trying to get the cattle farm, and then that's where we're gonna move our operation. And then we're gonna keep doing hogs, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna store all of our corn over here at this bin site, and all of our soybeans and stuff over at the cattle farm bin site. Oh, I did not know I had corn ready to harvest. Okay, I'll take it though. We're gonna also... Okay, let's start getting this unfolded. I forgot I had that extra wagon too. Okay. Go... Oh, we also gotta fertilize. Okay. Start getting that. He's almost full. We're about halfway done with this field. We'll move to that field and that. We got... So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 soybean fields. Once we get the cattle farm and the equipment to run the cattle farm, we're only gonna have 3 soybean fields. Yeah. Okay. He's almost full. We got a little bit of soybeans. It wasn't worth dumping. Alright. Okay. Try to unload on the go here. Catch up. And let's unload. Get the combine unloaded. And Should get close to a full wagon here. I'm hoping to get over 1,000 bushels of soybeans. I'm just hoping I can make that a reality. Ooh, I am a horrible grain cart driver. If I can make that a reality, I will be happy. Okay, there we go. He's empty. Alright. Okay. So, he's almost done fertilizing. You may be asking, where's the 1086 and the 970? I sold that, the 970, the 1086, and the disc to make some extra cash. Thought about selling this tractor, but I was like, nah, let's sell the 1086. Because basically what I have, the tractors I have, I can run everything. Alright, here's only a little bit. Soybeans. What are our hogs looking like right now? So we got 100 hogs. I need to get a slurry spreader so badly. He's almost out of nitrogen, but this is all the nitrogen we're gonna need to spread. So we're gonna take over this guy's spreading and actually do a little bit of farm work. Alright. Hope everybody has a good Easter. Pretty sure this video is gonna post on Easter Sunday. That only I'm not gonna post anything on that day because I'm gonna spend time with family and do stuff with family. And yeah. So I know I've had a few days where I haven't really got anything out, but you know what? I've been doing stuff with family. I've been doing a lot of outside stuff too. I'm probably gonna make a few videos on mowing this year and stuff with animals. I think we're actually gonna get this field done. That is gonna be so nice. We used pretty much a full spreader. I just noticed that. Oh gosh. That is not... Oh, why did I unhook it though? Okay, wish you could buy this phone. I know it doesn't look like much, but you could probably have 5 to 10 head of cattle. I would buy that. You just have to feed them hay. Yeah, and the hay equipment, to me, is overpriced. I wish they had more, like, Sperry, New Holland stuff and all that. Which would be really nice. And a grinder mixer. But I think we've all heard the big news. They're releasing a second game, Squad Built Is. So maybe that's going to be in there. Maybe they're going to have Oliver and Moline, which I wouldn't mind in the game. I wouldn't mind a good old Oliver and Moline. It definitely not going to have John Deere, because John Deere is very picky. It took a farm sim so long just to get John Deere in their name. So $4,000. That is horrible. That is like way too much money. Oh, no, don't resume last. Right there. Okay. We have one full wagon now. Once he finishes this field, let's get some planting action. Get some nice planting action for you guys. So I think you guys will really enjoy that. Hope you all enjoyed that little bit of a montage. Actually, how full is the combine? He's done. Oh, he's over half. He's taking forever to fertilize. Okay, let's get you folded. Fold. Full throttle. Clamp down on the stop sign. And get to rolling. I wish you could put like a loader on this tractor. And add front weights, please. This tractor needs front weights to look good. I mean, the model is awesome. I mean, the awesome tractor models. Alright. About to do something very illegal. Start unfolding our planter on the road. I'm gonna have to get... That is a lot. He missed a lot of beans there. Okay. I'll take over harvesting. And then... Do we go to... hit that field? Then the big field. Definitely want to hit that big field before really anything. It's just went to this field because it was closest. Alright, I'm gonna get my pipe out. We're not gonna fill up by any means, but might as well just... Yeah, it's gonna take a while to get... You know, wait. Oh yeah, that's right, I still do have a little bit of soybeans in the bin, so we're gonna probably break over 1,000 bushels. Soybeans, which will be awesome. But definitely that field, the fields by the cattle farm are gonna be our silage corn fields. This will probably, I wouldn't mind trying to get a seed drill, guys. Because that way we can... Because I wouldn't mind doing, like, some oats. And then if we ever wanted to get to, like, haying and all that, we can also do that. Ooh, wait. Can you do alfalfa for silage? I don't know. I am... Now I'm curious. Now I'm, like, really curious, but we're not gonna test it. This field's probably going to be a wheat or oat field next. Because I know oats grow fast and they bring in a decent profit. Soybeans bring in a good profit, it's just they take long to grow. But this field, for the seed drill that I can run and afford, this field's going to take forever to put into oats. But I think it would be worth it because the oats yield, I think, don't quote me, I think they yield somewhat like corn whenever you fertilize them properly. I don't know. I know more about your standard like corn and soybeans. All I know is that oats grow quick and they pay pretty decent. So, there you go. Okay. Okay. Let's get the combine unloaded. Back up. Beep. Go back. I mean, but still, it's gonna take a while just to fill that back wagon. Alright, get the rest of the combine unloaded. Yeah, that's how much. Yeah. Yeah, that ain't a lot. I can tell you that. Well, actually, no, that's pretty decent for that field. One wagon. I think, at least. Alright. Let's get you off of this field so I can get that guy started on planting. Actually, yeah, we're just gonna do this field in beans again. We'll do probably either this field or the other. Okay, he's almost done with that. Headlands and rows. Okay. I'll see you all once we're done with this field. Now that I'm looking at this field, guys, we'll be lucky to get one full hopper. That is disappointing. Hey, buddy, you missed some there. You're supposed to grab that. We can't leave it for the deer as much as I want to, but deer don't pay the bills. They help with expenses, but they don't pay the bills, sadly. Now, if they paid the bills, I'd let them have some soybeans. Not my corn. My corn's for my hogs. Alrighty, we are almost done with this field here, guys. We're gonna definitely go to the big field next. And then we have 2 more smaller fields, and then we got fertilizing and planting, selling of soybeans, and then harvesting corn. Yay! That's gonna be fun. But, you know what? I don't mind. I don't mind getting money. But, we're gonna have to, I'm gonna have to try to save up. Actually, you know what? Nah, we're gonna stay with this combine for a long time, probably. Because I would rather buy land than equipment. Now, we are gonna have to buy some more tractors. I will say that. Whenever we do buy the chopper and all that, we're gonna buy 2. Because, so I can alternate them out. I'm gonna save up for a new, well, the MX280 for our newer tractor that I want to buy. Or the Magnum. We would probably, do we do the Magnum or the Maximum? We're almost full. Hey, we got more than a... Yep. Oh, no, we're not full yet. Not full yet. This just shows you that the soybeans don't have a very high yield. Oh, yay, we're full. We're gonna have one, like, little row of shame. Okay, let's get the tractor and wagons over there. Wonder how how many bushels of soybeans I would get if I planted everything to soybeans. Like one year I did everything was corn one year, then the next everything was soybeans. I wonder how much money I would get. And how many bushels of soybeans. Because corn I would only have to do that once and I'd be good for a few years. On corn for my hogs. No, I might do that. That'd be smart. But I like having a mixture of crop. I play this game a lot off camera. Okay. Then we're gonna have to come back and get that little row of shame, but you know, that's fine. That just means more soybeans. I'm hoping I can get a full, like, maybe 2 full hoppers off of that field. So yeah. We're gonna try to put actual, like, music in for that, montage, too. Because, you know, the AI music I've been using, yeah, it gets old. Actually, no, it doesn't get old. It is old, and I don't want to use it anymore. But, I mean, that ain't worth unloading. Oh, I did find out something neat. I don't know if I've showed this in a video. I probably have. But even if you don't own the farm, you can go over to the diesel tank and refuel, which is so nice. So let's refuel the combine here. Okay, get the combine filled up. Hopefully it doesn't drain my bank account too much. Really want to get all the harvesting done so I can finally try and sell more hogs. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we have the big field and then those 2 smaller fields. Hey, I forgot I had 6 fields of soybeans. I'm gonna try to put this field in oats. Alright. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna start harvesting that. I'm not gonna go unload that yet. Okay, he's done. Is the guy over here on the planter done? I keep forgetting, if you don't, like, raise the loader on this tractor gets stuck. Okay, put that right there. Okay. I'm gonna just drive. I thought it turned right there. I'm like, what is he doing? This is actually the first year having this field, so I'm hoping it's gonna be promising. I mean, it's a huge field. Well, not huge. It's a bigger field. A bigger field. He's almost done. Then, how much is that? Oh, how much is that cedar? 15 grand. Well, that... You know, we're already invested. So... Geez, I've spent so much money today. Alright, you're done. I'm gonna fold you up after I raise you up.
You gotta find the thing when you're watching on the phone.
Alright, we're gonna go get our seeder here, so we can get that field seeded with oats. I don't know if I've started that guy to fertilize, but I don't really care right now. Let's go get the seed drill and start getting that one field seeded with some oats after I buy seed. This is gonna get expensive, isn't it, guys? Okay, at the beginning of this episode, we started with $51,000. Now we're down to $32,000. All I've done is I've bought diesel, P&K, and a seeder. That just shows you how expensive this stuff is. Yeah, that's all I've bought. The seeder's been the most expensive. And we're about to buy more seed. So, that's fun. This is gonna take forever with this, international seeder. So, 5,300, huh. Actually, I think we've run... No, we never rented a seeder. Where have I seen this before, then? Okay, but, no, wait, what am I doing? I swear I put the tractor in neutral. Daryl, don't get mad at me. Okay, we're gonna do oats. I've never done oats. Okay, good. $2,000. Pretty much $3,000 for seed. That is horrible. Well, now we're down to pretty much 20,000. We're gonna roll over there to the field that we're gonna put in oats. This is gonna take forever with this seeder. Then after we do that, yeah. Okay, we're gonna get over to the field, and I will see you all once we're done harvesting all of our soybeans. The combine is almost full, and he's only done 2 headlands. That is very promising. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna finish harvesting soybeans. I will see you all in the next episode. Peace.